Alright, so for this experiment, you've already answered these questions on the page before this, so you've already done that part. So now we're about to do this chart. You're going to see this chart on the next page. Now, in order to do this experiment, you're going to need a bowl of water. A bowl of, I would say, warm to hot water. I mean, you can probably turn on the hot water in your bathroom or your kitchen, sink, and get hot water like that. It doesn't need to be any hotter than that. Then, I didn't have all the types of spoons, so I found something made out of wood. I don't know what it is or anything, but you could use a pencil, all right? But you're going to write wood, whatever your wooden object is, just write wood. I had a plastic spoon in my lunch, so I could use that. Plastic. And then I found in my science equipment some tweezers made out of metal. Now, it doesn't matter what your object is, you're just going to write wood, plastic, metal. All right. Now, you're going to fill up your bowl of water. It needs to be warm to hot. And you're going to put all of your objects in the hot water. Okay? Now, then, I would say maybe wait, let's say to wait 2 minutes. If you don't see anything happening after 2 minutes, when you take them out, you have to feel them. If they don't feel any difference, leave them a little bit longer, okay? Just make sure all your objects are in there about the same amount of time. Then you're going to take it out, and you're going to touch the wooden object carefully, because you don't know if it's going to be hot. Okay, so touch the wooden object and see what it feels like. Describe it. Touch the plastic object, see what it feels like. Describe it. And then touch your metal object, see what it feels like, and describes it. Okay, and don't make your water so hot that you know it's going to burn you. Okay, make it warm. Okay, warm water. Then, based on the feeling, okay, remember, if your object is warm like your water, it's a conductor. All right, if it's still not too hot, you'll be able to tell a difference between the three. Then it's an insulator. Okay, so tell me if it's an insulator or a conductor. You can even go back and look at the video from yesterday, and it gives you some clues about wood, plastic, and metal. All right, and fill in this little chart. Then I'm going to, this says on the back of the paper, I'll type this up and make this look different for your next slide, but then you're going to tell me about what you found out using complete sentences and drawing some conclusions for me. So hopefully that helps you kind of get started on your experiment. Just make sure your water's not too hot or it will burn you, okay? So warm water, not hot water.